Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the light bulbs in your Pontiac G6. Looks like we got years 2006 to 2009. This is a manual control, climate control from Pontiac G6. Had a couple people ask me about the light bulbs in these. So I got one of these so I could take it apart and see what makes it work. On the back side, once you take it out, flip it over, you can see there is 4 bulbs. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All you need is a small flat blade screwdriver. Get it down in there and twist these little boogers counterclockwise, and you probably get them to fall out. See, the 2 long ones go here. These 2, they're long. The red's actually worn off. These got little covers on them and they're so worn off because they're, I guess they've melted. This one doesn't have a cover on it. And this last but not least here is another long one. So there's 3 long ones with red covers on them and 1 clear. So what I got here is 3 new ones, or 4 new ones. There's the 3 long ones with the covers and 1 without. 1 without goes right here. Just put it in, turn it clockwise. Let's do the same with these. Put them in, get them seated, turn them clockwise. That screwdriver's not very good. Give me a little better one here. Here we go. Get it in there and turn them. Do that with all 3 of them, or all 4 of them, sorry. Seat them in there. If I can get the stupid thing to sit down in there. Let me come back to that one. Okay, put it down in there. Get it to seat. For some reason I'm having a little bit of a problem with this guy. Okay, I see what my problem is here. The clear one goes into this hole. That's why I couldn't get the longer red one to go in there. It wouldn't seat because it's too long. That one seats, clicks right in. Put the longer one back here. It goes right in, turn it, and it locks up. Alright, remove these 3 bulbs here, and we find the power source here. Click that on there. Click this on. Sometimes they don't like the seat very well. They're new, they're kind of stiff. Pull this one back out here. Drop it down in there. Get the screwdriver on it. Then once you get them in place, plug it back in the car and see what you got. As you can see now, they're all lit up and they're nice and red just like they should be. Now we're going to go to our second one here that we got. Now the second kind of climate control we have is the automatic climate control. It's a lot different than the manual. It looks a little similar, but it's got the digital readout screen here, and you turn it around, you don't see the bulbs in the back like the other one. You actually got to take these 4 screws out, and this piece off here, 2 screws here, and it unplugs from there. So we just take it apart here, get these screws out. You gotta be careful, get these 4 screws out. Take these out. We got the 2 screws holding this little black piece on here. Pull this up, get it out from underneath this little clip, pull it up, and then carefully unplug it and set it aside. Now, to get to the bulbs, you kind of need to pop these clips right there on this side. There's none on the other side. And right here, there's like a little clip in here. You got to kind of lift up on it while you pull out on it. Then finagle this clip and do the same thing on this end. Lift up on this thing a little bit and kind of pull out on it, and voila, she'll pop right off. Just pull straight up, and there's your 4 bulbs right here. They're a little different configuration than the other one. Let's see, we'll pop these out. This one here is a little short one with no cover on it. This one here is another little short one with a worn out red cover on it. Then the 2 black ones on each end are the taller ones with little red filters on them, as you can see. Just pop them all out. Just turn them counterclockwise, pull them out. There you go. There's the 4 bulbs in this. So you'll need 2 with the longer ones with the red. Pop those in. Get them seated. Tighten them up. Tighten them up. Place that one with a filter. So here's a shorter one with a filter. Stick it in there. Twist it into place. Then we got one short one with no filter, short one with no filter. Put it on there. Then twist that one into place. Get rid of your old bulbs. If you want to test it, once you got the bulbs in, just put this back on, kind of line it up, and just push it together. She goes right together. I wouldn't put this piece back on until you're sure it works. Then we're going to plug it into the car, but I'm just going to plug the harnesses in here if I can get it to see. Wrong harness. This is the one I need. Plug that in, and we'll give this booger some power and see what we got here. Turn it on. And we'll turn off the lights so you can see it. All lit up like she should be. Looks good. Now you can put this black piece back on the back. Put your screws back in. Put it back in the dash, and you're good to go. I'll leave a link at the below the video here where you can get the bulbs, and I'm also going to give you a special discount code. If you enter it in the website, you'll get an extra 10% off the bulbs for this. It comes as a kit with every bulb you need and the covers. All you got to do is put them in. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Ask me a question if you want, or you can contact us through the website. There will be a link to the website in the description. Thanks for watching.